A nice bounce for Bitcoin after the ETF sell-off. Now, is this the bottom right here? I think not. I think we still have to backtest this area right here. What tends to happen after a downtrend and we see a big move upwards is people collectively think that that is the bottom. But what usually happens is we see one more dump under the low, really capitulating. At the same time, going back into the box, which we haven't really backtested yet. After that, we can expect a good bounce to the upside, but I don't think this downtrend is over yet. And this tends to happen all over the place, just like here, for example. You have the big dump, and then you have the move up, where everybody thinks that was the bottom, right? But what happens? We have one more flush, bringing it one move lower, and that will be the bottom. This is the place where retail absolutely capitulates, which is actually the bottom for then things to really reverse. And this happens all the time, guys. For example, the entire low of 2022, right? We have the big dump, then we stay high for a long time before the final liquidation comes, bring it one more time lower. This is the place where retail really gives up. This was the FTX collapse. Before then things really reversed to the upside again. Or even the top of Bitcoin, but in reverse, right? You have the big crash, everybody thinks it's a bear market right now, everybody screams, just admit it's a bear market, but we set one more high. You know, if we look at in reverse invert scale, it's like you're coming off a big crash. You have a big bounce up, everybody thinks it's the bottom, but we go one more time lower. And even on a smaller time frame, again right here, right? Big bounce, we think that was it, but we go one more time, and that was it. So even in a fractal standpoint, it happens. And you can spot this everywhere. You know, even this one, right? You stay flat for a long time thinking, alright, this is the bottom. But one more flush comes. And even in the flush itself, we have the big bounce, everybody thinks it's the bottom, and we go one more time.